Why buy Rakhi when you can make such beautiful Rakhis at home? So in this quick tutorial, let's crochet this beautiful Rakhis, which is very easy and beginner friendly. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to make this Rakhi is some weight 3 cotton yarn in two colors. With that I am taking 2.5 mm crochet hook, some pearls and beads like this. This is completely optional. You can use any wooden beads, golden beads, anything. I'm using pearls and some beads like this. And then a tapestry needle. We will first start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Take this end and twist it once. And then fold it. So you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. After that, we will make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After making 8 chains, insert your hook in the very first chain we made, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Now we have this circle here, small circle. Inside this circle we will work now. So for that, make 3 chain first. After making 3 chains, we will make 18 double crochet inside this circle. This 3 chain does not count as your first double crochet. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside this magic circle. Don't forget to hide this tail while you work. So just keep this on your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this completes 1 double crochet. Again, so this completes 2 double crochets. Similarly, make 16 more double crochets. So 18 double crochets in total, and then I'll show you what to do. You can see I made 18 double crochets, and now this is the first double crochet we made at the beginning of this row, and this is 3 chain. So on top of this double crochet, you can see this chain here. There, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After that, make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. Cut this tail as well. This is the tail of the magic ring. And now we will hide this tail. For that, take a big eye needle, insert your yarn and just pass your yarn through adjacent loops. Remove this excess yarn. And now we will take the second color now. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook in any of the chain gap. Pull this loop up and lock it. And now make 2 chains. 1, 2. After making 2 chains, pull up a lengthy loop like this. Take a bead, insert the bead inside, insert your hook. So this is the 2 chain we made and this is the stitch we locked here. So insert your hook there, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now insert your hook inside the next chain here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now watch me carefully. Keep this loop on the hook. Using just this loop and this yarn, we will make 3 chains. So 1, 2, and while pulling the yarn through the third chain here, pull through this loop as well. Now we have 3 chains here. Pull up a lengthy loop and add one more bead here. Insert your hook. As usual, this is the 3 chain we just made. In that, insert your hook in the very first chain here, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now insert your hook in the next chain gap, yarn over, keep this loop on the hook. Using this loop and this yarn, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and now yarn over while pulling through the last chain here, pull through this loop as well. Again, pull a lengthy loop. I'm using a small hook like this to insert the bead. If you don't have a small hook like this, you can use a thread here, small thread, insert it here. And now take your bead, insert both the ends inside this bead and just pull the bead like this. So you can do it either way. And now, as usual, we have 3 chains here. Insert your hook in the very first chain here, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again, so repeat the same around and reach here, and then I'll show you how to complete this. You can see I repeated the same around. Leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. Now we will weave this tail. Take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn, and now follow me carefully. We will insert our needle. This is the wrong side. So here we have a loop there. We will insert. And now, as usual, we will insert in the adjacent loops. Trim the excess yarn. Weave this tail as well. So this completes the Rakhi. Now we will make the ties and the tassels. For the tie, take 2 strands of yarn like this. Take this end, not the free end. We will now insert our beads and pearls. Now we will insert the Rakhi. For that, take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn like this. Now similarly add pearls and beads this side. To make the tassel, make a knot here. We need 3 strands of yarn here and 1 lengthy yarn like this for each side. Now take this 3 strands, insert it here. Keep this lengthy yarn here. Keep it on top. And just tie 2 or 3 permanent knots. Trim the yarn straight. So repeat the same this side. Apply small amount of glue here and then place your pearl. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.